Hello everyone. The topic for the today's practical is determining the lambda max of potassium permanganate by the help of UV spectroscopy. So the principle here which we are going to apply is absorbance, since the principle of UV spectroscopy is absorbance of UV rays by the molecules of the chemical substances we are taking use of. Since here potassium permanganate is going to be our desired chemical. So to determine the lambda max of potassium permanganate, we will take the use of UV spectrophotometer. Before starting our practical, we need to understand the definition of lambda max. Here, lambda stands for the wavelength and max stands for maximum wavelength. So, it doesn't mean that it should be the longest wavelength. The very first mistake the students do is to confuse the lambda max with maximum wavelength. Doesn't mean it should be the strongest or it should be the longest wavelength. Lambda max is that wavelength of ultraviolet rays at which the absorbing capacity or absorbing species absorb the maximum number of rays. Okay, first, for example, if there are hundreds atoms or 100 molecules of any substance in a solution, so if 90 of the molecules absorb 350 nanometer and 10 of the molecules absorb at 400 nanometer, then 350 nanometer will be the lambda max of that particular chemical. So we need to understand the basic difference that lambda max is that wavelength at which the maximum number of absorbing species absorb the wavelength. For that, what we have to do, the procedure is here. First of all, we have to weigh 100 ml of KMnO4 and the procedure is already being discussed. We will take 100 mg of KMnO4 and we will dissolve in 30 ml of distilled water. The important point here is the use of distilled water. We cannot use in tap water because they may already contain the salts which will interfere with the absorbance of ultraviolet rays. So we have to take distilled water which is free of any other absorbing species. Now we will take this distilled water, we will make this solution in a volumetric flask and then we will make up the volume up to 100 ml. Now from the above solution we will take 10 ml and again dilute it to distilled water. Why we are diluting it to such great amount? Because we all know the principle of UV that if it will only be absorbing the UV rays when it is very dilute solution. A very concentrated solution does not absorb that clearly, or we do not get the lambda max very clearly if the solution is very concentrated, because each other will start interfering with the absorbance of each other molecules. Now from the above solution again take 4 ml and dilute it to 10 ml, which will make the total final concentration up to 40 microgram per ml. Now rest of the part we will discuss when we will go to the UV spectrophotometer, and till after preparation of the solution we will take this in a volumetric flask and we will go to the UV spectrophotometer and we will calculate our absorbance.